Welcome to the cornerstone of corporate achievement, where financial strategies underpin business milestones. Today, we set off on a captivating journey through corporate finance, the lifeline of any successful corporation. This realm is more than mere money management, it's about astutely directing financial maneuvers to amplify shareholder value, an endeavor of paramount importance in the dynamic business environment. Why is corporate finance indispensable, you ask? It is because the decisions sculpting this domain are crucial for a corporation's growth, sustainability, and triumph. From securing investments to balancing assets and liabilities, every strategy is crafted to boost the company's market value. Exploring the vast landscape of corporate finance, we encounter mergers and acquisitions, corporate restructuring, and capital budgeting. These are not just buzzwords but the very foundations that propel corporations forward. As we progress, you'll discover how these critical elements interweave, forming a robust base for understanding. Join us as we navigate the complex realm of corporate finance, empowering you with the insight to thrive in the corporate world. Delving into the world of corporate finance, we encounter a paramount strategy: mergers and acquisitions. These processes are at the forefront of corporate growth, transcending simple transactions to redefine industry landscapes. Whether through mergers, the blending of two companies into a new entity, or acquisitions, where one company absorbs another, these strategies aim for more than expansion. They seek to diversify offerings, penetrate new markets, and ultimately, enhance shareholder value. Consider the technology giants innovating through the acquisition of startups, or the landmark mergers reshaping the media industry into powerful conglomerates. These examples highlight the pursuit of synergy, achieving a whole that exceeds the sum of its parts. The strategic significance of mergers and acquisitions cannot be overstated. They enable cost efficiencies, bolster competitive positioning, and can neutralize threats by integrating competitors. As we delve deeper into corporate finance, each strategic move unfolds as a potential game-changer for industries. Next, we'll explore how companies realign themselves post-mergers, steering through corporate restructuring. Corporate restructuring, far from being mere corporate jargon, emerges as a strategic blueprint for transformation. It's a comprehensive overhaul, touching upon financial, operational, or structural facets to cultivate efficiency, adaptability, or expansion. This initiative transcends cost reduction. It aims at sculpting a leaner, more agile, and future-ready corporate entity. The need for such transformation varies, from reacting to market shifts to enhancing operational efficacy. Setting the stage for future scalability. It's a testament to a company's proactive approach in the unforgiving tides of the business world. The ramifications of restructuring extend across the corporate spectrum, affecting stakeholders and prompting a mix of responses. Yet, the end goal remains: to emerge as a fortified, resilient behemoth. Peeling another layer of corporate finance, we will next uncover how strategic financial planning and capital budgeting become indispensable tools in steering the corporate ship. Amid the complexities of corporate finance, we have dissected mergers and acquisitions, navigated through corporate restructuring, and now venture into the critical sphere of capital budgeting. This avenue equips organizations to embark on strategic investment paths, balancing the scales of risk and reward. Capital budgeting stands not just for resource allocation but as a beacon guiding corporations towards their future. Through methodologies like net present value, NPV, and internal rate of return, IRR, capital budgeting acts as a navigational tool in the investment odyssey. These practices illuminate the path towards ventures yielding optimum returns, factoring in the time value of money. Real-world examples abound, where entities wield capital budgeting to champion through growth, expansion, and even economic challenges. As we gear towards concluding our journey, remember, these financial deliberations are the forge upon which a company's destiny is shaped. Moving forward, let's delve into the culmination of our exploration into corporate finance. As our exploration of the intricate tapestry of corporate finance concludes, let's pause to assimilate the insights garnered. From understanding mergers and acquisitions to appreciating the strategic depth of corporate restructuring, and mastering the nuances of capital budgeting, our journey has been insightful. Grasping corporate finance is about recognizing how it empowers us with the acumen for strategic, informed decisions, fostering growth and success. This toolkit not only transforms challenges into opportunities but also dreams into achievements. The dynamic world of finance beckons each of us to continue our quest for knowledge, challenging norms and pursuing deeper insights. Let this journey motivate you, whether you're stepping into the business realm, scaling professional heights, or nurturing an innate curiosity. Knowledge in corporate finance is a gateway to crafting your own path, empowering not just individuals, but entire organizations. Together, let's keep navigating the endless possibilities of our financial future. Thank you for this enriching journey.